In this video I explain how the song, "I Can't Get No Satisfaction" by the Rolling Stones came to be. You will learn why it is so special and how it influenced the music world. The song, "I Can't Get No Satisfaction" was written in 1965 by Mick Jagger and Keith Richards. Keith Richards came up with the idea for the famous guitar riff one night in Florida. He recorded it on a cassette recorder and showed it to Mick Jagger. The song was recorded in Chicago and Hollywood. The Rolling Stones are a British rock band founded in 1962. Mick Jagger is the singer, and Keith Richards is the guitarist of the band. They were known for their wild performances and covers of American hits. With "Satisfaction," they achieved their first major original hit. The iconic guitar riff of the song comes from Keith Richards. He played it with a distortion effect that made the guitar sound rougher. Richards was initially skeptical, but his bandmates loved the sound. The riff made the song instantly recognizable. Mick Jagger wrote the lyrics, which express the dissatisfaction of youth. He criticizes consumer society and advertising in the USA. The chorus, "I can't get no satisfaction," became an expression of frustration. The lyrics resonated with many young people. The song was recorded in May 1965 at Chess Studios in Chicago. Later, it was completed in Hollywood. Keith Richards sang backing vocals and played rhythm guitar. Jack Nitzsche added a tambourine to enhance the sound. "I Can't Get No Satisfaction" was a huge success. It was the Rolling Stones' first #1 hit in the USA. In the UK, the song reached #1 on the charts. It sold millions of copies worldwide. The song is considered one of the most influential rock songs of all time. In 2004, Rolling Stone magazine ranked it #2 on its list of the greatest songs. Many artists have been inspired by "Satisfaction." The song left a lasting mark on rock music. Many artists have covered the song, including Otis Redding in 1966. Britney Spears performed a pop version of the song in 2000. The band Devo also created a unique version in 1978. Each cover brought a new style to the song. "I Can't Get No Satisfaction" frequently appears in films and songs. Udo Lindenberg references the song in one of his lyrics. Even rappers like Method Man refer to it. The song has become a symbol of rebellion and dissatisfaction.